Hi, good morning. My name is Vanessa Taylor. I am with the National Business Initiative. I am the technical advisor for skills training.
Good day, each and everyone. Today I'm standing here with my fellow graduates. It's been a long journey. All I want to say is thank you to Westlake College and to everyone I met along the way.
I am here today because we have our first group of IRM students, installation, repairs and maintenance students who are graduating, and we were here today to hand out their certificates. So the IRM program, which is an NBI program, the objective is to provide skills training for youngsters that is in areas in which there is demand for those skills. So where they can use their hands to do installation jobs, maintenance jobs, or repair jobs in building infrastructure, or things like automotive body repair. And our program involves 3 months of training and then 9 months of work experience. So these youngsters have just completed their work experience, completed their final assessments, and are now graduating from our 12-month program. The program was funded by a number of the NBI sponsors, in particularly Absa Bank funded the learners training and their stipends, but we have many funders that are supporting this initiative, which is a national initiative.
It wasn't an easy journey, but it was definitely worth it at the end. And you can see, I'm not sure if everyone's smiling, but the smiles on our faces, or actually inside, expresses the thank you from the college and everyone, the organizers, facilitators. Thank you for everything. It was a nice experience, and it's only the beginning of the journey, and we're not at the destination yet. Thank you. Thanks.